Hello everyone, my name is Matt and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are in Macau, so I thought I would take you guys along with me and show you what it is like here. Let's go. Of course I have little baby Celia here, but she's about to take a nap, hopefully. She's tired, so hopefully she sleeps. So we are right in the thick of it here. The Venetian is right next to me on the right. The Londoner straight ahead. So there is a fake Big Ben right here in front of the Londoner. And there's an Eiffel Tower across the street over there. Never heard of that one before. There's the Wind Palace in the distance over there. I gotta get out of the road here. I don't see it. Oh yeah, it's cool. Can't see it in the video. It's way over there in the distance. You want to go on that thing today? I don't think we can. Celia's not going to have it. She's tired. Yeah, that's the Venetian right over there. So earlier we came over this way, we went through this huge mall that goes from the Sands, which is all the way over there behind these buildings, all the way through, I'm not even sure what the one here is called. And then there's a bridge into the Londoner, and then there's another huge mall in there. Massive mall. We couldn't get out of it, actually. We were trapped in there on the second floor. And because we have the stroller, we were looking for an elevator, and we couldn't find one. It's so big. It's crazy. Let's go this way. This way. So I came to Macau in, I'm not sure if it was July or August 2014, and I don't think that we came to this side of the city because I have no memory of any of this unless all of this is really new. Yesterday when we got here, there's a huge casino near the airport called the Galaxy. Massive. I've never seen a casino that big. And yeah, I think only part of that one was here back when I was here in 2014, but we didn't come by plane, so I don't even think we came to the side of the city. There's water separating this side from the other side. Wow, this is selfie stick. Shall look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. We're all taking the same picture. Xiao, you want a picture up there or what? Huh? Everyone's taking the same picture. Must take. Did you take any pictures? Oh no. We're all so cool. Cool. We're old. We're old. Celia wants to take a picture there. So there it is. Let's try to get past these people. Where? Over here? I don't know. Oh, want to go in there? Part of the Londoner, I think. We can go in there. Let's go inside. Take a quick look. Someone's flying a drone over there. I think in Paris there's a spot that looks like this. There's a park, I think, next to the Eiffel Tower. People hang out in, I believe. I've never been there. Get off this dirt, those pebbles. Yeah, Xiao knew about this spot to take pictures. That's why she didn't want a picture over there. Isn't that right? Xiao, do you want a picture here? You want a picture? Celia. Celia. Yeah. Yeah. Celia. See if I can take a picture of you guys at the same time taking a video. Think it's possible? Ready? Celia. Celia, look here. I think I got it. You take a look. See if it's you. Oh, she's not impressed. Is it good enough?
Not bad.
Yeah, see? Yeah, not bad. Is there something?
他坐在这边的姿势好搞笑，你看那个 king。
All right, Celia, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Sorry. Sorry. I'm going to end the video here. If we find something cooler later on, I will continue, but if not, yeah, this will be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel, and yeah, we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 That's good enough. Good enough.